Welcome back to our channel Build with Discipline. In this video, we will discuss about the what is GitHub and differences between the Git and the GitHub. So in previous videos, we discussed clearly everything about the Git. So in once, if you are not watched those videos, once go through the previous videos. There I taught what is Git and how we can do all the stuff with the commands. In YouTube also, there are like I think few videos with the UI. I thought how you can do the same thing what you have to do with the commands. You can do that stuff with the UI also. I explained that also. So now let's dive into the video. In this video, we will discuss about the what is GitHub. So GitHub is a cloud-based platform where that allows the developers to store or manage and collaborate on code using the Git. So now I will explain. GitHub is a cloud based platform where you can store your code. So why this GitHub is required for us? So developers cannot sustain without this. So assume I will explain within a simple example. So you developed your code and all that code was local, but one day unfortunately or because of some reason your laptop was crashed. So if there are that kind of situation in a real world, it's very scary if your code was gone. So if you can understand or you can relate, like once you can gone your code was gone, that was very scary. So for that reasons, like if you have done something the code, like you can push that code into a cloud based platform, so you can access that anywhere from the world. I think this was clear what is GitHub. So you can just go to the Google search. I will show to you. Just go to Google search and search for the GitHub and sign. If you are a first time creating an account in a GitHub, just GitHub sign up. Type this and click on this. You will dive into the what sign up page. So already I was registered the account, so that's why it is directly redirecting into my account. So where I uploaded the all GitHub notes also for the previous videos, and the upcoming videos also I will upload the notes, and I am at the same time giving the assignment question in this note. So once check out those question and do that assignment questions what I have given there. So this is the platform GitHub. So we will discuss all the things in a clearly like upcoming sessions. How you can create the repository and what is PR and how you can see the commit history, how you can create the branches. So how you can work the in a different branches. All the stuff we will see, but in this video I will give the idea of what is GitHub and how it will be. It is an like it's in a platform where you can store your code. Now we will see the what are the advantages of GitHub. So cloud based storage. So I explained with an example also, like if your laptop was crashed, then if you stored in your cloud, then you can directly access your code even if the laptop was crashed and if the stuff was went. So, and another thing is you have the secure and the backup of your project and the maintenance complete commit history. So you we discussed the what the commits all the in the previous video. What you have the commit all the that commit history also you can see in the GitHub, and like you can go through that like in a GitHub like what person like what the stuff they done, like if the someone requested a pull request, like who raised that pull request, in that pull request how many commits are there, like how many new files are coming, how much new code is coming, and how what the code was deleted there. So all this interesting stuff will be we will discuss in the upcoming videos. I will show you with an example with the in a GitHub platform. That the stuff was very interesting. If you or eagerly want to learn GitHub and Git, then it will be interesting for you. So, and next in access the code from anywhere. So I discussed this point, and it supports the branching and merging. So, like, why the branching? And I said the importance of the branching in the previous video also, but just giving a simple understanding. If you working in a different future, rather than working all the stuff in a one place, you can create the branches and work for the different futures in a different branch. So at that time you will have some clear understanding. So in this branch I have this future code. So like that, if you want to merge the all the future, then you can merge the all the branches. At any point of the video, you, if you have any doubt, just comment down the below video. Just I will give definitely reply. Like if you anyone has the doubt, like if that doubt need require the explanation, I will try to make in a video if that requires an a video explanation. Now we will dive into, yeah, I think here, like we will miss the one point, code review through the pull request. Like if why this pull request means, like if you done some code and you don't want to, like what, in a real world situation, like you are the developer, you are not going to directly push that code into the main branch. So always main branch in the production. So if you done some code and you're not going to push into the main branch, so at that time you will create a pull request. So with that pull request, so your team or your like who are higher authorities, like mostly team lead, they will go through your code, and if all is well, then you will merge that code into the main branch. So within a pull request, if someone raised the pull request, like we can see like who raised the pull request and what the new code coming, what new files are coming, what code was deleted, and how many commits are there in this PR. Like all we will discuss in these details in upcoming videos. Now we will see like what's the difference between the Git and GitHub. Like most people will thought Git and GitHub are same, but it's completely different. So Git is in a version control system. Means I said completely about the Git, but for your understanding, for your sake, again I'm discussing the difference of these two. Like if you are having the clear understanding of these two different, then you can skip the video. Like who are not got who didn't got the differences between these two, stay with me, I will explain these two now. So Git is in a version control, like it can tracks the your code history. Like in previous videos, in the first video I think so, I showed you like when I added something new, Git will tracks, means Git will detect something was changed, some modification was done in your code. So that is in a version control system. So mostly version control means in this name only we have, it will controls the version. And GitHub is in a cloud form or cloud platform for hosting Git repositories. So it is in a cloud platform where we can store or host Git repositories, and Git will tracks the changes in our source code. So when you done modification, it will tracks. GitHub stores and manages the Git repository online. So GitHub, it stores and manages the Git repositories in online. Git works locally. Yes, Git works locally on your computer. GitHub where it will works on the internet or cloud. So Git can be used without internet connection also. But GitHub requires the internet connection for collaboration, like what we want to do the stuff in a GitHub. It requires internet connection. Git focus on mainly on version controls. So what versions are coming, what the previous version, what was the upcoming version. GitHub focuses on the collaboration and sharing the project management. Like in upcoming videos, like how we can clone the code from the GitHub also, that all the details we will see in this video description. I will give the complete notes and with the assignment question. So once check out the description. If you like this content, just subscribe and click on this bell icon, so when I uploaded a new video you will get some notification from the YouTube. So just smash that like button. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section, so and share it to your friends who need the this kind of explanation or content. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video.